Ever wonder why your skin looks tired, even when you haven't skipped your skincare? The answer might be in how you start your mornings. Most of us rush into the day, reaching for our phones, skipping water, and washing our faces in a hurry. It's easy to overlook the simple things, but these habits quietly drain your skin's natural glow. Imagine a fresh start. Just 3 gentle actions, less than 10 minutes, and your skin will radiate like you've spent an hour pampering it. No expensive creams, no complicated steps, just a shift in routine that anyone can do. First, before you touch your phone, drink 2 glasses of warm water. Warm water rehydrates your body, flushing out toxins and waking up your circulation. Overnight, your skin loses moisture. This simple hydration step restores your skin's clarity and brightness. 1 week of this, and you'll notice the difference. Next, wash your face with care. Go for lukewarm water, not hot, which strips your skin's oils and makes it dull. Gently massage your face in circles for 60 seconds. Then finish with a splash of cold water. That invigorating chill closes your pores and instantly gives your skin a vibrant glow every morning. Finally, moisturize within 2 minutes after washing. Your skin is most receptive during this golden window, soaking up all the nourishing ingredients. And don't forget SPF, even if it's cloudy outside. Sun damage creeps in quietly, but protection is the everyday shield your glow needs. Simple steps: warm water, gentle wash with a cold finish, moisturizer and SPF. Less than 10 minutes, but your skin will thank you for it. Try it for 7 days and watch your transformation begin. Share your journey and follow for 1 genuine skincare tip every week. No ads, no product pushes, just real results.